Hello everyone and welcome back. All I have to say is shoot baby, shoot baby, shoot. Ooh yeah, shoot baby, shoot baby, shoot baby. If you guys remember Salt and Pepper from the 1990s, that's right, the 1990s, you are in the right place. Salt and Pepper is back with me today with Milani's limited edition collection of the Wheel of Fortune collection. Yes, that's right. Salt and Pepper has paired with Milani Cosmetics, which is not tested on animals and is cruelty-free. So, before we begin, make sure if you haven't done so, watch this video to the end. Make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you leave a comment if you guys remember Salt and Pepper from back in the 1990s as well. And make sure that you smash that subscribe button and make sure that you hit the bell for future notifications. And stay tuned for the free Salt and Pepper giveaway that I'm going to be showing you guys later in this video. So, let's begin. So shoot baby, ooh yeah. Shoot baby, oh yeah. I know, I'm not the greatest singer. I really try, so, don't hold that against me. So, Salt and Pepper, if you guys remember them, this is actually their limited edition collection called Salt and Pepper, and it's their very necessary eyeshadow and highlighter palette. And when you open it up, you get a array of colors. So you have a highlighting color in the middle, you got some emerald green, some gold, you got some orange, some silver, a matte vanilla color, black, navy blue. The purple shade there we'll be using today is called Shoop, Hell and Heaven, and then we have a gold and a darker green color here on the other side. And you have your lovely little mirror so you can see exactly what you're doing. And you can see me there in the camera as well. Whoops, Shoop. Anyways, they also released a limited edition Shoop lipstick from Milani Cosmetics as well, and we're going to be applying that as well. It's a beautiful chocolate brown color, and it actually comes with your lipstick in 240 Shoop as well by Milani Cosmetics. So we're going to get our Shoop on today, and we're going to start applying it right now. Because as you guys know, I do not like long videos, and people don't like watching long videos as well. So my mantra is to make sure we get this done as quick as possible. So all makeup has been applied, skincare has been applied, my lips have been lined on the bottom with the Shoop lip liner, and we are going to start right now. So brace yourself for the Shoop and Pepper, Salt and Pepper eyeshadow demo. All right, so we're going to be using Shoop, which is actually this color right here, if you guys can see. And we're actually going to be applying that color right to the mobile lid. So just taking your eyeshadow brush, we're going to apply right to the lid. And back in the 1990s, if you guys remember, everything was vibrant. The colors were super, super vibrant. I don't know if you guys remember Chip and Peppa and, Barney t-shirts, Sun Ice jackets. Those were all the rage back then. And you know what? It's coming back. All this neon colors and bright colors, in, collections that are in Sephora as well. So it is such an amazing time in our lives. And I know right now we're going through a lot, especially in the world. It is absolutely crazy here in Canada. Like, absolutely crazy. Department stores shutting down. I was just at the mall today. There's tons of stores shut down. American Eagle is shut down. The phone stores are shut down. Even Winners and HomeSense, equivalent to sort of like Target or the Target in the States is shut down, or Marshalls, more the equivalent to Marshalls, is shut down. So, oh my gee, everything is going on that is super crazy. So moving right along, we have that applied to our mobile lid, which is the base of our lid. Then we're actually going to take the top color, which is called Groove Me, which is this kind of orangey peachy shade, and we're going to apply that as well. And how we're going to apply it is we're just going to apply it on the outer corner of the mobile eyelid, like so, just to give it a pop of color. So we want to do a color pop because back in the 1990s, it was all about color pop, and we are popping today. Woohoo, woohoo, time's a ticking. So I'm putting this on as quickly as possible, but not to mess it up. And we're going to do the other lid as well from the outer corner. And this is an orange. It really actually is an orange color. So these colors are great for springtime as well, and summer. So we've already applied our Better Than Sex mascara. We've run with our Bobbi Brown eyeliner in black, in waterproof. And we also have on our powder foundation, and we have on our Jeffree Star concealer. Woohoo, go Jeffree Star. So Milani Cosmetics, as I had mentioned, is cruelty-free and not tested on animals as well. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add a little definition, and what we're going to do is we're going to use, I believe it's actually called Heaven or Hell. That's right. We're going to use Heaven or Hell in our crease area, which is the darker purple shade right here, if you guys can see that. So I call this the little Wheel of Fortune because it looks like a Wheel of Fortune from Wheel of Fortune and Vanna White. Now, if you guys remember that, you're really old. No, I'm just joking. You're not really old, I'm just joking. So right in the crease area here, we're going to blend that color in to create some depth. As you see, it's already creating depth, and we're curling around in almost like a circular C motion. And we're not winging it out. When I say winging it out, back in the 90s, they did do a V wing. So we're not doing that anymore. So this is more of, 2020 eyeshadow application as opposed to the 1990 winged out eyeshadow. So just a little definition in the corner is all that you need. And then we're actually going to go back in once we have the definition applied. And if you guys have ever, I saw Salt and Pepper in concert, so it was kind of cool. They're cool. They're still around, and it was totally a neat experience. So who has seen like the most concerts? Like who really has seen all the concerts that are out there? Who has seen Madonna? Who has seen Cher? Who has seen Britney Spears? Kenzie Craig Michaels wants to know. So what you need to do is leave a comment in my comment field of all the concerts that you've seen. All right, and I'm going to tell you what the grand prize is going to be when you actually leave that comment in my comment field. Now, using So Effing Gold, we're going to use that, which is actually an amazing shimmer highlight. My brows are now fine. We're actually going to use that. This is the So Effing Gold by Jeffree Star. We're going to use it right here as well, just as a shimmer highlight. And the other side as well. So, yes, 1990s. Do you guys remember in the 1990s, Montel Jordan? This is how we do it. This is how we do it. Sha-na-na-na-na. Do you guys remember that song? No? Okay. Well, if you don't, look it up. This is how we do it by Montel Jordan. You'll be jamming away. That's giving away my secret of how old I am. I don't really care. So, once we have that applied, we're going to actually make sure that we have it on. Just gives a nice crisp shimmer to the upper eyelid. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use, now I don't know if you guys have seen this before, but we are going to be using the Big Shot, which is a blue color, which is this dark, awesome blue. And we're going to use an eyeliner brush, and we're actually going to apply it underneath of where we actually applied the black liner, just like so. So, if anybody has any stories to tell me about the 1990s, whether they were in high school in the 1990s, whether they were working in the 1990s, whether they were even born in the 1990s, let me know in the comment field below. So once we have that on, I'm going to continue applying my Shoop lip liner. And this is amazing, it goes on silky smooth. I'm gonna color in all my lips with it. And back in the 1990s, ladies, girls and men, chocolate browns were in. It was all about a crisp brown look on the lips. And it's still in today. So we're lining the lips and coloring them all in. Just like so. And this is actually a twist, okay? So when you're applying it, it's so super easy and super silky going on the lips. And like I said, cruelty-free and not tested on animals. I did do just a little contouring on the sides, didn't put any blush on. You know, some days you just don't feel like wearing something, it's fine, just don't wear it. And now we're gonna apply Shoop lipstick over top. And look at that crisp brown color. And this is a matte lipstick because back in the 1990s, everything was matte. There was no shimmer, and shine. There was, but it wasn't as popular as the matte lipsticks. So, voila! This is the Milani collection from Salt and Pepper with your highlighter inside of it, the Wheel of Fortune and your mirror, and also your Milani lipstick, and also your Milani lip liner in Shoop from Salt and Pepper as well. And they collaborated together with Milani Cosmetics to come out with this limited edition collection, which is super cool. And I'm so excited that I was able to try it and showcase it for you guys. And with my lovely new headband that you may be seeing on a few channel episodes. So, just so you guys know, whoever leaves the best comment in my comment feed, okay? The best comment and a referral, like a subscriber refers a subscriber to my channel and leaves the best comment about being in the 1990s or anything about the 1990s is going to receive their very own Salt and Pepper Wheel of Fortune from Salt and Pepper. And also the matching, now this is, if you're daring enough, this is the red Milani lipstick and matching lip liner in matte as well. So you will look totally hot and you can do a lot of stuff with that, okay guys? So whoever leaves the best 1990s comment in my comment field and refers one person to my channel, that's all, one person will be entered into the draw for those two products, okay? So we're gonna give it about 2 weeks and see how that makes out. Also, this fabulous bag, which I had mentioned prior, which actually has tons of stuff in it, makeup, skincare, and valued at over $250, is also going on. All you have to do is refer one person to my channel and say that they were referred by so-and-so, and you'll be entered into that skincare and makeup draw. So, lots of exciting things happening. Also, the other one, the third, is the microblading title for my brows being microbladed. So, that's it. Salt and Pepper all the way. If you haven't checked out the records or anything like that, please do so. And thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Please give it a 2 thumbs up, a like, and smash that subscribe button. And make sure you tell all your friends and family to subscribe to Kenzie Craig Motley Michaels. Loves, kisses, and cheers. Enjoy your day, guys. Bye.